my dear viewers and my dear learners. I wish you a very, very happy Independence Day to you and your all family members. First of all, I want to wish you a heartiest, happiest Independence Day. This is the 78th Independence Day. So, yes, we all are celebrating this. So, I hope you all are enjoying. So, welcome back on this channel. This is your favorite channel, that is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti. And if you are preparing a speech or presentation, especially on the occasion of Independence Day, so here are some few tips and tricks by which you can enhance your speaking skill. Is the first and foremost important is practice. Practice regularly. Yes, rehearse regularly. Repetition. It means you should repeat your speech multiple times to build confidence and improve the fluency while speaking or while giving presentation. Yes, after practice you should record yourself and listen to identify areas for improvement so that you can find your own mistakes where you are lacking, where you are doing mistake. This is the best way of improvement. Now tip number 2, that is clear your pronunciation. Clear your pronunciation. You should more focus on pronouncing your words clearly. Slow down your speed if needed and emphasize important words to ensure your message is understood. Third is also very important, that is engage your audience. Use a conversational tone and maintain eye contact. You should vary your pace and pace to maintain your audience interested. Now move to the next point, that is structure your speech. Structure your speech. Have a clear beginning. It means start with a clear beginning, in the middle and in the end. You should start with a strong introduction, like I'm this and I'm from where, and today I'm gathering here, today I'm standing here in front of you, why and why I'm sharing my views. So all these are the parts of your introduction. You must follow with some key points and finish with a memorable conclusion. That is also very important. Beginning, middle and ending. Now move to the next point, that is also very important. Prepare for the questions, because question asking is also very important while we are introducing ourselves, and then if we are giving speech especially, because by asking questions, by putting questions, we can make our speech very attractive, and that can be the connection between the audience and with us. Anticipate possible questions and practice your responses to handle them confidently. Always remember, Independence Day is a time to celebrate and reflect. So infuse your speech with genuine passion and special respect for the occasion. Always remember, true freedom comes with responsibility. And in the end, always try to wish Independence Day in a unique way, in a different way. May the tricolor always fly high and our nation remain strong and united. Wishing you a proud Independence Day. On this Independence Day, let's remember the sacrifices of our heroes and cherish the freedom we enjoy. Happy Independence Day to you all again, especially my YouTube family. Don't forget the history for India's struggle for Independence Day. So again, a very welcome and warm happy Independence Day to all. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.